Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Asuna Hoshi. Code PPPE227. Released on June 18, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about stepdaughter and her stepdad. After her father passed away, her mother remarried to an old guy. Apparently, the days goes by, the old guy developed a feeling towards the girl. So the next day, when her mother went out of town, leaving them alone at home, so that night, while the girl was sleeping at her room, the old guy went to the girl room. However, when the girl woke up, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.